All right, K5, it's time for our board work. We're going to start today with our money. All right, we are going to first sing our money song, which we haven't sang now for a few days at least. All right, you guys ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, boys and girls, what is the name of this coin? Penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. What do we count by when we count pennies? Ones. All right, let's count some pennies. Okay, you ready? How much is this worth, boys and girls? All right, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents. Very good, boys and girls. Now, what is this coin called? Let me show you one without a magnet. What's this one called? Nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. What do we count by when we count nickels? Fives. All right, let's count the nickels. You ready? All right, 35 cents. Let's count them together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35 cents. Now, boys and girls, do you remember when we practiced counting nickels without actually using nickels to count? Okay, let's try that. I want you to count with me, and we'll see what the value is of 5 nickels. Okay, 5 nickels. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 cents. Now I want you to count and tell me the value of 3 nickels. 15 cents. 3 nickels, we count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 15 cents. Very good. Now, boys and girls, this is the big one. What's the name of this coin? Quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. And what do we count by when we count quarters? 25s. Very good, boys and girls. Now, tell me what the name of this coin is, this little coin. Dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And what do we count by when we count dimes? Tens. All right, boys and girls, I want you to count these dimes. Ready? 90 cents. Let's count them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90 cents. Very good, boys and girls. Now, just like the nickels, we can count dimes without actually counting dimes. All right, what do we count by? We count by tens. All right, so let's do some of those together. Boys and girls, let's count 5 dimes together. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50 cents. Very good. Now let's count 7 dimes together. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70 cents. Now, boys and girls, when we count dimes, when we do dimes, did you notice that if you count 7 dimes, it's 70? If you count 5 dimes, it's 50. If you count 3 dimes, it's 30. Let's count some dimes. I want you to count these dimes without me. Do it by yourself, and then we'll do it together. All right? I want you to count 4 dimes. Okay? 40 cents. Let's do it together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 cents. Very good. Now, count 2 dimes. Count 2 dimes. 20 cents. Let's count them together. 2 dimes. 10, 20, 20 cents. Very good. Let's do a big one, boys and girls. Count 10 dimes. $100. Let's do that together. We know we have 10 fingers, right? You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents. Very good, boys and girls. All right, I hope you understood that and were able to do it. Okay, counting dimes without holding dimes. All right, guys, now we are going to go ahead and move on and just practice some addition families. I'm not going to practice them all. We're just going to practice the 4s, 5s, and 6s today. All right, are you ready? Let's start with the 4s. Ready? 4 addition family. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's do that again. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now let's do the 5 addition family. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Again. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And the 6th addition family. Ready? 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's do that again. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Very good, boys and girls. Now, last week we started doing between numbers. We've already been doing after numbers for a long time, and we've learned how to do before numbers, and we started between numbers. Remember, between numbers are the number that comes in between. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 2 is between 1 and 3. It's the between number. I've got 2 up here on the board for you to do, boys and girls. Okay, this is the first one. Look at this and read the numbers and tell me what number goes between. All right, boys and girls, the between number is 35. 34, 35, 36. 35 comes between 34 and 36. Let's do another one. Look at these numbers and tell me the between number. 20. 20 is the between number. 19, 20, 21. 20 comes between 19 and 21. All right, did you remember how to do that? Now, boys and girls, we have started adding and subtracting. All right, remember subtracting. Subtraction is when we take something away. And we use the word minus when we say the combination. All right, as in 5 minus 1 equals 4. We did that last week. Now, boys and girls, we are going to do these on the board to help you remember, because sometimes when we have our weekend, we forget the things we did last week. So let's start over here, boys and girls, with this addition problem, with this addition combination. Look, we have 0 hearts plus 1 heart equals how many hearts altogether? 1. So the combination is 0 plus 1 equals 1. Say that with me. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Now we're going to do the subtraction problem. We have the minus sign, so we know we are taking away. We are subtracting. Now, boys and girls, if we have 1 heart minus 1 heart, how many hearts do we have left? 0. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. All right, say that with me. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Now, look here, boys and girls. We have 2 circles. All right? Now, look. 1 circle plus 1 circle equals how many altogether? 2. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Say that with me. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we'll do the subtraction problem. All right, we have 2 hearts minus 1 heart. And how many is left? 1. Sorry, they're not hearts, they're circles. 1 circle. 2 circles minus 1 circle. How many circles are left? 1, just 1 circle. So, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Say that with me. 2 minus 1 equals 1. All right, now we've got some squares. All right, 2 blue squares plus 1 blue square is how many squares all together? 1, 2, 3. 3. So, boys and girls, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Say that with me. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now the subtraction problem. We have how many blue squares? 1, 2, 3. 3 blue squares minus 1 blue square equals how many left? 2. So, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Say that with me. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And our last set, boys and girls, we have some purple triangles. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 purple triangles plus 1 purple triangle equals how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 3 plus 1 equals 4. Say that with me. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Very good, boys and girls. Now, the subtraction problem. We have the minus sign, so we know it's subtraction. All right, we have 4 blue squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1 equals how many left? How many are left? 1, 2, 3. All right, so 4 minus 1 equals 3. Say that with me. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Very good, boys and girls. Now you have got combinations like this to do on your worksheet today. Now, the important thing to do, boys and girls, anytime you're doing adding and subtracting is to pay attention to whether there's a plus sign or a minus sign. A lot of times we will get subtraction problems wrong because we don't pay any attention and we add accidentally. You need to make sure you look and see if it's a plus or a minus. And if you need to, you can circle all the minus signs to help you remember. Now, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and move on and review or practice our special sounds. All right, everybody together with me. K and duck, C, K. E and me, E. O and go, O. I and fly, Y. A and pray, A, Y. St and stop, S-T. Pull and plane, P-L. Fur and frog, F-R. Tur and train, T-R. Sh and ship, S-H. F and thick, T-H. The and this, T-H. Bull and block, B-L. Cull and clock, C-L. Full and flake, F-L. Gull and glue, G-L. And now our blue cards. Burr and bride, B-R. Dur and drum, D-R. Purr and pray, P-R. Gur and grin, G-R. Sm and smoke, S-M. Sk and scat, S-C. Sk in skate, S-K. Sp in spade, S-P. Cur in crab, C-R. Tw in twins, T-W. Spull in splash, S-P-L. Spull in splash, S-P-L. Spur in sprain, S-P-R. Spur in sprain, S-P-R. Scur in scream, S-C-R. Scur in scream, S-C-R. Squ in squeak, S-Q-U. Squ in squeak, S-Q-U. Sn in snack, S-N. Sul in sleep, S-L. Stir in stream, S-T-R. Stir in stream, S-T-R. Sw in swim, S-W. All right, guys, now we started our orange cards last week, so let's practice those. Ready? Wait, I don't think that's the first one. Nope, I had that one on the front. You ready now? Thir in three, T-H-R. Thir in three, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. All right, do you remember those from last week? Let's do it again to help you. Thir in three, T-H-R. Thir in three, T-H-R. R in stars, A-R. Ch in church, C-H. Or in morning, O-R. Ow in out, O-U. Ow in owl, O-W. O in bowl, O-W. All right, now we're going to learn a few new ones today, but before we do, we're going to do some flashcards for some of the ones that we already know. All right, so look at the flashcard, think about your special sound, think about your vowel sounds, read the word, and remember, if it's a D or B and you're not sure, you can look up here. All right, you ready? Dress. Twine. Me. Slim. Plate. Blob. That's a funny word, isn't it, guys? Blob. No. All right, good job, guys. Now, we have some new special sounds, but before we do those, I want to go ahead and do some sight words. All right? Now, I can't remember, guys. I have already forgotten if we learned this last week or if I had it out to learn this week. But this is a new sight word. was. Okay? If you tried to sound that out, you would say was, was. That's not what it is. It's was. So you have to remember, that's why it's a sight word, because you can't sound it out. All right, what is this word? Was. Was. All right? Now I'm going to put that in our stack, and I'll move it around a little bit in our stack too to help you. Okay? You ready? A and the was you of I was says was to was do was. And we're back to the beginning. All right, now we are going to do our new special sounds. Boys and girls, I've got 3 special sounds here, and guess what? They all say the same sound. All right, so it won't be real hard to remember the sound. You just have to remember the letters that say the sound. All right, the sound that they all 3 say, boys and girls, is Can you say that sound? All right, now look here, boys and girls. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. So they all say Let's practice them a few times. You ready? In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. All right, again. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. One more time. In verse, E-R. In nurse, U-R. In bird, I-R. All right, guys. Hey, I hope you have a really good day. Do careful work on your worksheets. Listen to your homework helper. But guys, have a good day today. Enjoy your day. All right? I miss you guys. Bye.